Hello, this is a small tutorial for hair physics. Um, Normally hair physics is quite an expensive part, and let me just line with view so you can see. This is my rigged hair. As you can see, I have all the bones of the hair. First of all, you need to download the scripts I provided in the description. These are the scripts. Download all these scripts, then select the root of the object and place spring manager script here, and then spring bone assistant script here, and drag and drop your script spring manager. The value you can copy from these values, or you can play around with values and stuff. Second, on the root of the bone you have to put spring bone marker on every script, and that's it. Let me just play and show it to you. And second of all, I'll show you the stats here too. As you can see, hair physics. Obviously we can play around with stiffness, drag force and all that to make the desired effect. And as you can see, there is no performance decrease because it's all script based, as you can see.